Begin with a full container of ricotta cheese. I add probably a cup of cottage cheese, the Trader Joe's fresh mozzarella. I dice it into cubes, and 2 eggs, and I like to grate in some fresh parmesan. Then now I'm gonna blend this. To that, I'm gonna add some of this organic spinach. I get this at Costco, and it just adds a nice bit of nutrition and color and all those things. I put in some Italian seasoning, probably just a teaspoon, maybe a little bit more, a little bit of garlic powder. So I'll add in a little more of that and some salt. I have boiled the pasta and let it cool. I like to use a cutting board or a cookie sheet or something to lay out all the noodles. And then I take a spatula and I put the filling on. So you just kind of roll it up. Okay, so this is the final touch. I love to use this marinara. It's very low sugar, 0 added sugars actually. Just spread the sauce evenly. And then I just sprinkle it with grated cheese. But then you're gonna bake this at 375 for about 30 minutes. And then if it's bubbling and the cheese is melted, it's done. It depends on your oven. Okay, our lasagna is done. And we'll just plate it. More Parmesan cheese. Just want to show you what it looks like.